So cancel this 4 by 4, right? So now 20 divided by 1. So 20 divided by 1 is equal to also 20, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So here we have one division and here multiplication. So first we have to solve this part. Because multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So now 20. Now according to KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip, right? So keep this 20 as it is same. Now change this sign from division to multiplication. Now flip this second fraction, 1 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 1, right? Times 4. Now 20 times 4 is equal to 80 times 4. So now 80 times 4 is equal to 320, right? 80 upon 1. So 320 upon 1, right? So now 320 upon 1 is equal to 320. So the correct answer is 320, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.